Faisalabad Provincial Housing Minister Bilal Yassin reviews security and development projects in high-level meeting. Provincial Minister for Housing Bilal Yassin chaired a high-level meeting at the Commissioner's office in Faisalabad, where senior officials from various departments participated. The meeting reviewed security measures for foreign-funded projects as well as arrangements for the upcoming Ramadan Bazaar. Officials present included Commissioner Raja Jahangir, Regional Police Officer Suhail Akhtar Sukhera, Deputy Commissioner Captain Retired Nadeem Nasser, City Police Officer Bilal Umar, Wasa Director General Tayyib Fareed, Wasa Managing Director Saqib Rasa, and Project Director Wastewater Kamran Kahlu. During the briefing, the Wasa Managing Director highlighted security arrangements for ongoing projects supervised by foreign experts. The Minister issued the following directives: no compromise will be made on the security of foreign experts. All construction sites must ensure safety measures in accordance with SOPs. The district administration and police must provide full cooperation. Foolproof security arrangements should be ensured at Ramadan bazaars.